This is a customer information announcement. Please make sure you're on the platform in plenty of time. Train doors close 30 seconds before departure. Thank you.